thousands are expected to join more rallies this coming September 21. More in this report.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines has placed all its units under red alert amid protests over alleged corruption in flood control project. AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla said the alert has been in effect since September 12 as a precautionary measure. She assured the public there is no cause for alarm, saying the alert only means more personnel are on standby and leave is suspended. Padilla, however, warned against attempts to infiltrate or exploit the protest to steer violence or instability. Over the weekend, about 200 protesters gathered at the EDSA People Power Monument to demand accountability for the alleged anomaly. Kabataan Representative Rene Co, ACT Teachers Representative Antonio Tino, and groups like Pantay Sining, Kabataan Kontra Korupsyon, and Tindig Pilipinas led the rally.
Ayusin ang Independent Commission, gawing totoong independent ito. Ang panawagan naman sa Kongreso, bigyan ng totoong ngipin ang Independent Commission, bigyan ito ng subpoena powers, ng powers to contempt. At sa lahat ng mga politiko, gawin nyo ang spirit of the law, ilabas nyo ang mga salin nyo.
Tino added that President Bongbong Marcos should also be held accountable since all budgets passed through his office.
May kapangyarihan siya ng veto. So, ibig sabihin nun, pwede niyang kansilahin. Kung ginawa niya ang kanyang trabaho at inaral talaga yung budget na inaprubahan ng Kongreso. In fact, noong 2025, ginawa na niya, nag-veto siya ng 26 billion pesos worth of flood control projects. Kaya palang gawin yon. Bakit? Sa simula pa lang, hindi ginawa. Kaya ang punto natin, ultimately, budget yan ng Presidente, may responsibilidad at pananagutan ang Presidente.
In a separate rally, concerned citizens and the Ilocano Defenders Party List demanded jail time for those allegedly involved in corruption.
Wala kaming pro, wala kaming kinakampihan. Ang amin lang, gusto namin managot kung sino ang korupsyon, kung sino na-involved sa pangurat, kung sino yung mga taong nasa likod nito.
Meanwhile, Transport Group Piston will hold a nationwide strike against corruption on September 18. On September 21, thousands are expected to join more rallies at Luneta and the People Power Monument.
Yung ayaw nating mangyari hanggat maaari, ayaw nating maging katulad tayo ng ibang bansa. Pero pag nakita ng taong bayan na pareho lang, walang pinagbago, wala pa ring mapapanagot, wala pa ring makukulong, tuloy ang ganyan, tuloy ang buhay nila. Asahan nyo po, hindi lang September 21, hindi dun matatapos, tuloy-tuloy na to.
Mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we are One News.